Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use scene transitions in Doodly, or simply say how you can add transitions in Doodly. So let's start. So the first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Doodly, you want to click, let's say, right here for scene settings, or let's start from the beginning on the right side, scene settings. And then you're going to see exit animation. You can swipe right, you can swipe up, swipe down. So let's say swipe right. This one is going to be, let's say, erase. This one is going to be not export, but scene settings, swipe up. And let's see how it looks like. So I'm going to preview, swipe right. Now this is going to be erased. This is going to be swipe up. And now I can add a new one. So new scene. And this can be, let's say, no, this Abraham Lincoln is going to be swiped down. And as you can see, it's like really easy to use those animations. And let's play around again. So I'll click here, preview. So first, swipe right. Now this is going to get erased. This is going to be swipe down, I think, or swipe left. And voila. So this is how you can do it. So you always come to the scene and you go to top right to scene settings. And right here, you're gonna have the exit animation. If you want to be swipe left, swipe right, swipe up, swipe down, or erase. And then you're gonna see also extra time at the end that you can add. It's like completely up to you. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.